Okay, let me share my screen. So we'll see a quick recap what we have done in the yesterday's class. So did anyone try to create another user? I know most of them are still practicing on the relationship concepts and all. I do understand because everyone is like having their own work and they have to give some time here. Yeah, once you start working on this, I know you might get some doubts and you can just always ping me. Yesterday we had created this user and this was how the user was looking. And yesterday we spoke about like freezing a user and deactivating a user. But did you get to know where to deactivate a user? All right. Here, the active button, like checkbox, will be there. So once you edit it, it would be a editing checkbox. You can do this and you can save so that this Tom will be deleted from the organization, but like delete in the sense not totally delete, but his Salesforce license will be freed off. Okay. Currently, I'm not doing that because we have to do some testing today on the other part. Okay. And freezing, you got to know it's a temporary one, and license will be always hold on. And deactivating is we have to delete a user, it's a permanent one. We will get a license here. And this is all about yesterday's class, what we have done. We had created like we got a requirement to add all those 7 employees. Consider we have just added one user, but think that we have added all 7 users. And next thing is they have come up with one more requirement. They are saying now I'll just create one of the. Okay. What was our application name, guys? So now what I'll do is I'll create one of the record. These are the records, hope you remember, and these are fields ID, first name, and all. So we can sort based on this. Now we have the records. So I'll try to create one more record. You remember this record. We'll go to Tom and then we'll have a look also. So this is a student, no? We'll have now Tom's record test. So we'll create like this only. These all are not mandatory. But this is mandatory because it's a master detailed relationship. No, this is a lookup, no teacher. Yeah, but this is mandatory because we have checkbox the required column. Okay, I'll save it. User record 13 has been already created. Now our work is we'll go to Tom, will log in from his user and we'll see. Okay. See, did you see the difference? Now I have logged in as Tom and we'll see. Flipkart application is not there. Fine. We'll search for student. No. Why Tom is not able to see? Because these are our records, guys. So we have to give a permission for them. Okay. No, he is not able to see nothing. So now what we will do is we'll go to this user. Okay. We'll have one more. One more tab. So you got to know what is the like how it acts because it's my record which was created by Kalpana. So before that you have to understand one more thing, owner. So did you people recognize this? Owner means someone like we were discussing there will be default by default four fields created when we create a object. So owner is something like a particular task is assigned to me means I will be the owner of that task. So until and unless it is completed, I should take care. So now I am the owner of this record. I have to just work on this student's record and do some changes. But if you are not owner, you will not have the rights to delete the record. Correct? So once you change the ownership, like you can go and change. Okay, now it is not possible because I'm still in the Tom's profile user. So I'm just logging out from Tom. Okay, now I have come out. What we have to do is we have to go to object. The first thing when we wanted to allow the permission to the so today's class. Now we are like the record was created by me, but it is not shown to Tom. So what is the current day's requirement is the client came to us, we had a meeting set up and they asked, no, why even though we have created Tom into the new organization, we bought license also, why he is not able to see the records? This is how you fixed and all, he is ailing on us. Then what we have to do? Yes, we have created the object, like record is there, but Tom, we did not get an requirement that we have to allow the access to the Tom, because this is a security breach. Tom is from another profile, so we cannot allow him to see the record. So now we have to consider main things are like OWD is the first main security we will give, and the second one is profile. Today we'll speak about these two things. Profile, did you remember? Yesterday, while creating the user, we also gave the profile. See here, this one. So now we'll speak about the OWD. OWD is the organization wide default. That means what did you understand by the organization wide defaults means? Yes, no. Again, stop. Okay, that means, see, as the name is only saying, org wide defaults. That means in your mobile also you can see factory defaults. That means by default few access and few things will be already like given the permissions that is applicable for the entire organization irrespective of departments. Like if there are 100 people in the organization, all 100 people will be applied with this access. Okay, so now what we will do is, there we asked, so we have 7 members in the organization, so do you want all 7 to see? Then user said, yeah, why not? Like this default is for all the organization, so we asked the same question. And like client is not aware, so when we asked, he said okay. What we will do is, we'll go, what was our object, guys? What was the object name? Student. Correct. So this is our object. Okay, did you see something here? It is showing fault internal access. So this is the internal access. This is what we have to consider now. Okay, and this default external access is something for the integration purpose. So don't worry, like don't think about this. And this thing we will discuss in the next few classes. Uh, as of now, you can forget this also. Now your concentration is on this. Okay, just click on edit. Okay, this is our we'll say this is a OWD. OWD is a organization wide defaults. So when we make, we have three options here: public read write, public read only, private. Okay, all three options has different workings. What was the first one? Public read write. That means this record owned by me or anyone can be like read, that means viewed. Like this I can see the record, and I will have the editing option and even and write up action. Write means changing the ownership. Okay, edit means just editing the fields of the same record. Like this, if I click on edit, I'll be able to edit any of the things like this. Okay, and one more option is public read only. That means you do not have this to access like any users. So you will be having only read. That means you can just view the record but not like make any changes to the record. And the last one is private. So this is a private one. That means the record The record is neither visible to other employees in the same organization, nor we can edit. Okay. So now, based on this, I have 2 to 3 questions. I want you people to like answer those. Okay. So now we have a requirement that um, like what was our requirement? He said all users of all user has to see the records of each other. So what is the answer for this?
PRO, public read only.
Excellent. This means we should be very conscious, guys, in the class. I just say they have to see the records, but I did not mention that they have to do something on that. So, this would be enough. And we should always just try to give the least access, because one person also, like if there are two people, I'll say Ajay and Vijay. So the requirement says for him we need only read access, and for him we should not show the record, that is private. And this time what we have to choose is we have to choose the least access. Which is the least access here? There are two users in the organization, and one user should not have the access at all, and the other user should have at least read. So which one we have to give the permission in OWD? By default, like all the users should have what? Hmm?
To Vijay, we need to give OWD.
No, OWD is something for the whole entire. If I give any
Okay.
permissions here, it is applicable for both.
Okay.
So what should I do? Which one should I give to the OWD?
Ajay,
Okay, good guess. But yeah, always we have to give the lesser visibility. That means in this, it is nothing. We can see nothing. Here, at least we can see something. But we should always go to nothing cases. That means we are going to hide for both. And in the next, I said no profile, permission set, all those things are there. In those level, we can continue giving the access. Here we will hide, but in the profile it is department wise, the settings will be. So there we can give. So now we should choose always the lesser access. Lesser is private. Now we have to provide the OWD as private. Okay. Now, like Ajay has to read and Vijay should have at least right access. Huh. Vijay should have all the access. What is the OWD now?
TRW.
PRW. Why? Here it is R only. Here it is again read and write also. That means which is the lesser access here?
Read.
Hmm?
Read only.
Yeah. So we have to give a read. That means PRO. Okay. So again one more question. You are clear no why I am doing this, because this is very important, guys. They will ask you again and again. If you go inside also, they will expect this type of answers from you. Now both should have right access. What is the OWD?
TRW. Read
Correct.
and edit.
Hmm?
Read and edit.
Yeah, correct. Because now we do not have any confusion because both have the same. So we can give the same. Guys, I want everyone to answer. I don't remember who is answering, so no issues. You can answer, okay? If it is wrong, also fine, answer it. Be active. And now it is because there is no confusion, we gave this. And now I have one more. No access at all. Now, which OWD you want me to give?
Private. Private.
Excellent, guys. Yeah, because this is no. This has
Leave.
read and write. That means these are like this is extra, this is zero. Zero access we have to consider. Okay. And now I have what is the OWD?
TRW. TRW.
Okay, one moment. Now you tell me.
PRO.
Hmm?
PRO.
PRO, right?
Yes.
Okay. His answer was correct because in any of these did I mention we can give a permission called delete? No. In the OWD we do not have the permissions to um, give any of the record option of deleting. In the OWD we do not have option called delete. So we are considering the least. So we are not considering this at all. This one is the main one. So we are just having the PRO. Okay, good guys. And last question. Now tell me.
PRO. PRO.
Excellent. So now you got the idea what we have to give a default for the OWD. So for going to OWD, what you have to do is go to setup, go to the quick find box and search for sharing settings. Okay, once you go, now what was our requirement? First requirement. This was our requirement, no? All users has to see the records of each other. What I'll do is
Read
we
only.
for students we have to make read only and we have to save it. See here, you can see this. When you see this orange box, it is saying that it is still in processing. Okay, when this is saying it's a processing one, so you have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes and you can refresh again. So it will be whatever the results has been taken, no, that will be updated. But you know something, in the organizations, it will take even up to week. Why is it so? Because there are so many things associated with the sharing settings. This is a organization by default, no? So if there are 100 employees, 100 employees would have created each day like 10 to 15 records and it's been a year. That means you can understand how much data is saved in the Salesforce org. So at that time, when you're changing the defaults for the organization, obviously it will take more and more time, guys. Okay. So no one will ask you to do that in the organization. It is always like by default, we have to make it private. So when we create the object, it will be read write. So you have to go here and change the permissions as private. Okay. You can check even in your projects also when you enter. You will see it is always for all objects, it is private. Now I'll refresh. Okay, now that orange box has been gone, that means your settings has been applied. One moment, guys.